Are you ready to transform your body and your life? Losing 40 pounds is an incredible goal, and the HCG diet can help you achieve it. This journey is about more than just fitting into a smaller size. It's about reclaiming your health, boosting your confidence, and feeling your absolute best. The HCG diet is a powerful tool for weight loss, but it's not a magic bullet. It takes commitment, dedication, and a willingness to embrace change. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that will lead to lasting results. Think of this journey as an investment in yourself. Get ready to experience the incredible transformation that awaits you as you shed those pounds and step into a healthier, happier you. The HCG diet is a unique approach to weight loss, utilizing a two-phase system. HCG, or human chorionic gonadotropin, is a pregnancy hormone that plays a key role in this process. It helps your body access and burn stored fat for energy, even on a low-calorie diet. This means you'll lose weight quickly without experiencing the typical hunger pangs and energy slumps. The HCG diet is not just about shedding pounds, it's about transforming your relationship with food and your body. It's about making sustainable changes that will empower you to live your healthiest, happiest life. Let's talk about realistic expectations. With the HCG diet, you can anticipate significant weight loss, often much faster than with traditional dieting methods. Many individuals experience a loss of 1 to 2 pounds per day during the initial phase. However, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different. Factors such as age, metabolism, activity level, and genetics can influence your individual results. Consistency is key when it comes to sustainable weight loss. The HCG diet is not a quick fix, but it can be a powerful tool for achieving your goals. It's about transforming your health, boosting your energy, and feeling amazing in your own skin. The HCG diet has been a game changer for countless individuals, helping them achieve remarkable transformations. Let's hear from some inspiring individuals who have walked this path and come out on top. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of 2 who struggled to lose the baby weight after her second child. Feeling defeated by countless fad diets, she decided to give HCG a try. To her amazement, the pounds started melting away, and she had more energy than ever before. Sarah successfully lost 30 pounds and has kept it off for over a year, feeling healthier and happier than ever. Then there's John, a former athlete who had gradually gained weight due to a sedentary lifestyle and poor eating habits. Determined to regain his fitness, he embarked on the HCG journey. He was amazed by the rapid results, losing 25 pounds in just a few weeks. Inspired by his success, John adopted a healthier lifestyle, incorporating regular exercise and balanced meals. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories associated with the HCG diet. Start by cultivating a positive mindset, believing in your ability to succeed. Replace self-doubt with self-compassion and focus on your strengths. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Visualize yourself at your goal weight, feeling healthy, confident, and radiant. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you stay motivated and on track. Having a strong support system can make all the difference. Don't be afraid of setbacks. View them as opportunities for growth and learning. Now, let's dive into some practical tips to help you master the HCG diet and achieve optimal results. During phase 2, strict adherence to the very low-calorie diet is crucial. Focus on consuming lean protein, vegetables, and limited fruits as outlined in the protocol. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's detoxification process and keep you feeling full. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid temptations and ensure you're getting the right nutrients. Preparation is key to staying on track. Incorporate gentle exercise like walking or yoga to boost your metabolism and enhance your results. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Getting enough sleep is essential for hormone regulation and overall well-being. Weight loss plateaus are a common experience on any weight loss journey, including the HCG diet. Don't let them discourage you. Instead, view them as opportunities to reassess and make adjustments. First, ensure you're strictly following the HCG protocol. Even small deviations can impact your progress. Review your food choices, portion sizes, and hydration levels. Sometimes a little shake-up can jumpstart your metabolism. Stay consistent with your efforts, and you'll break through them before you know it. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't give up. You've learned about the incredible transformative power of the HCG diet. You've heard inspiring stories of real people achieving remarkable results. Now it's your turn. Take that first step towards a healthier, happier you. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your goals, and embrace the journey. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Start today and watch in amazement as you transform your body and your life. You've got this.